Good afternoon. Welcome to day 400 here at the St. Clair County EMA office. I'm joined today with Chairman Kern, and we will get directly into the numbers. For St. Clair County, they've tested 328,232, which is an increase of 654 since yesterday. Positive test results are 29,956. That's an increase of 24 since yesterday, and those are males and females under the age of 1 up to their 70s. That brings our daily county positivity to 3.7%. For negative tests, we're at 298,276. We're happy to report no new additional COVID-related deaths, so that number does remain at 474. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 29,140. For state totals, they've tested 21,659,208. Positive test results are 1,299,575, which is an increase of 3,194 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did add 23 new COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 21,653. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 23 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with no patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 53 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 2 of those patients on ventilators. There are no changes in our congregate living facilities today, and as always, we want to remind you that testing is still so vitally important. It is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and also at various pharmacies and express medical facilities throughout the county. So it's important that if you feel like you've been exposed or you're feeling symptomatic, make sure you take the time and get that test done. Chairman?
And appointments continue at the fairgrounds?
Correct. A little over 1,100 appointments scheduled today, but every day now, 9 to 5, we're accepting those that arrive without an appointment. They will schedule them on site there at the fairgrounds and get them quickly through. Tomorrow's advertised statewide as College Day at all the test sites. So we've shared that information.
Vaccine site.
I'm sorry, at all the vaccine sites. We've shared that information with all of our colleges and universities here that have campuses in the county, and hope that will help drive those numbers up even higher tomorrow. But every day it can be College Day at our vaccination site, as we do have appointments available, and anybody 16 or older that lives, works, or goes to school in Illinois is welcome down there to get their shot.
That's great. Yep, we're really, vaccines are the key, and certainly with kids going back to school, and I call them kids because I got one, it's important that they're vaccinated, and if they're 16 and above, you can get it done at the fairgrounds, and it's quick, and it's easy, and it's painless. All right, let's take a look at the zip code report for today. 62201 is up 1 to 597. 62203 up 2 to 650. 62204 up 3 to 408. 62206 up 1 to 1,353. 62207 up 1 to 602. 62208 up 6 to 1,691. We go down 1 in 62220 today to 2,145. 62221 goes up 2 to 2,860. 62226 goes up 2 to 3,288. 62239 up 1 to 491. 62258 up 1 to 1,086. 62260 up 1 to 826. And 62269 up 3 to 3,358. 24 new positives in the county today, with 654 people tested, brings our county positivity down today to 3.7%. But the rolling average is still bumping up, and it's up today to 3.9%. Regional positivity, though, takes a tick down to 3.2%. And that's because Bond County comes in at 1.2%. Clinton County's at 0.8 today. Madison, 3.4. Monroe, 0.9%. Randolph, 0.6%. St. Clair is at 3.2%, and Washington County is at 0%. It was nice to see, Brian, that we now have no patients in St. Clair County on ventilators.
Correct.
That's always a good thing, because the ventilator process, it's my understanding, is a difficult path.
And always great to see the ventilators come down without the deaths increasing.
That's true.
You know, for a while there, early in this pandemic, if we saw a ventilator number go down, it was usually associated with a death. And we're happy as treatments come along and everything's developed through this last 400 days that COVID is being dealt with.
It is. Wash your hands, watch your distance, wear your mask, and get that vaccine, and we'll get through this. And today is day 400. If you can imagine, we've been doing this now for 400 days, and please wear your mask and get that shot.
Yeah, those are the things that are going to get us through this. There's talk of booster shots, possibly an annual COVID vaccine, but we do that already with the flu shots. That's something that's manageable. But first, we got to eradicate and get everybody that's able to get down there and get that shot.
And the faster we do that, the faster these variants don't take a hold or morph into some new variant. It's really important that time is of the essence now. We got to really get this thing drilled down and get rid of this virus, because if we don't, it's going to turn into something else. And at some point, it may turn into morph into another virus that maybe our current vaccinations won't handle. So it's really up to everybody to get out there and get this virus out of St. Clair County and out of our state, and frankly, the country and the world.
Very true. As we talk about every day, as you said, wear your mask, wash your hands, watch your social distance. We've been at this 400 days now. Tomorrow we'll be at day 401 with our question and answer session. So stay tuned to the page later tonight. We'll put up the portal for anybody to submit questions, and then we'll have representatives on the panel here tomorrow answering those questions. We'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we thank you for joining us. For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.